This video shows how to buy shares of Hewlett Packard Enterprise Co. Hewlett Packard Enterprise is an enterprise IT company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HPE, and this guide is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you must use a regulated broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HPE to find the listing. Select the Hewlett Packard Enterprise County result to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you are on HPE. Check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to be sure it is the correct asset. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your new position will appear in the portfolio overview so you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to open an account or follow the same steps.